Hello everyone. Today we will discuss combinational circuit. What is combinational circuit? In combinational circuit there are m inputs and n outputs, or you can say n inputs and m outputs. In this, output depends upon only present inputs, not in past value. Means there is no feedback path. In this there is no feedback path. If input changes, output also change. How to analyze any combinational circuit? This is a example of any combinational circuit with the help of logic gates. This is your combinational circuit. There are 3 inputs and there are 2 outputs. Okay, there can be n inputs and m outputs. First, you have to express all the function in Boolean expression form. Then you have to derive the truth table. Okay, this is your example. This is a combinational circuit and you have to design it. Suppose this is your any combinational circuit. In this there are 3 input A, B, C and there are 2 outputs F1 and F2. You know the expression of every logic gates. Now with the help of these logic gate, determine outputs. This is your ABC AND gate, this is your A plus B plus C OR gate, and this is your AB plus AC plus BC. This is complement NOT gate. So A dash plus B dash, A dash plus C dash and B dash plus C dash. Just apply De Morgan's theorem. Now this is this expression. Now final F1. Final F1 is ABC plus this one, and F2 is AB plus AC plus BC. Okay. Now with the help of this circuit, you have to draw the truth table. This is your inputs. When you will give 0 0 0, the value of A, B, C 0 0, F1 will be 0 and F2 will be 0. Okay. So when you will give 0 0 1, F1 will be, you can determine F1 is 1 and F2 is 0. Similarly, when you will give input 0 1 0, F1 is 1 and F2 is 0. 0 1 1, value 0 1. Similarly 1 0 0, value will give 1 0. 1 0 1, it will give 0 and 1. When you will give 1 1 0, it will give 0 1. When 1 1 1, it will give 1 and 1. Now with the help of this combinational circuit, you have derived your truth table. Now with you have F1 and F2 in terms of minterm and maxterm. This one is nothing, this minterm. Now you have to solve this F1 and F2. Okay, either by using K-map or by using Boolean laws and theorem. Now this is 1 0 0. Now final expression A, B dash, C dash. Similarly for F2 there are 3 pair. F2 is AB plus AC plus BC. Okay. Now finally you determine the output. So what are the design procedure? First of all, you have to determine the number of inputs and outputs. Then you have derived the truth table. Then with the help of Boolean algebra or K-map, you will solve the expression for F1 and F2. Then finally you will draw the circuit. Okay, by this way you can design any combinational circuit. Suppose you have to design BCD code to XS3 code converter. Okay, suppose you have to design a combinational circuit which converts a BCD code into XS3 code. First of all, you will determine inputs and output. You know, in BCD code there are 4 bits, so 8421 code, so there will be 4 input. And again, what is XS3 code? In XS3 code there are digit valid from 3 to 12. Actually XS3 code is nothing, BCD plus 3. Okay, when plus 3, then determine 8421 code. Now you have determined there are 4 inputs and 4 output. Then just draw the truth table. You know, suppose input is ABCD 0 0 0, and what will be, this is XS3 code, 0 plus 3 is 3, so 0 0 1 1, then 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0, next 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Similarly, suppose this is 9, 9 plus 3 12, so 1 1 0 0, and you know in BCD code only valid digit are 0 to 9. Okay, so all these terms are don't care, means from 10 to 15 all terms will be don't care. Okay, now with the help of K-map you have to solve value of W, X, Y and Z. Okay, you have to remember one thing, in all 4 cases when you will determine W, X, Y and Z, there will be 6 don't care terms, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now determine value of W. This is W, this is W, this 1 0 1 0 1, this is nothing 5, so 5, this is 5, then 6 7 5 6 7 and 8 and 9, so this is 8 9, and 10 to 15 are don't care. Now just make group. You are now already aware with K-map, 1 octet and 2 chord, so the minimized expression W will be A for this A plus BC plus CD. Similarly, determine X, this is for X. Now these term X 1 2 3 4 and 9, just write down min term 1 1 1 1 and remaining don't term. So again try to solve by using K-map. There are 2 quad and 1 pair is possible. In don't care terms you can leave don't care terms if they are not used. Okay, now this, after solving, this will be B dash C dash, then this. Similarly for Y, just 2 quad are possible. Then for Z, now you know this is where output is high, 0 2 4 6 and 8, 0 2 4 6 and this is 8, and 9 to 15, sorry 10 to 15 are don't care. Now there will be 1 octet, so this is D dash. Okay, now draw the combinational circuit. You have the expression A plus B plus C plus D and this. Now this is your final combinational circuit which converts BCD to XS3 code. In this way you can design any combinational circuit. Once I am again repeating what you have to do. First you have to determine number of inputs and number of outputs. then with the help of that given problem you have to draw the truth table. Now step number 3, with the help of K-map or Boolean algebra you have to minimize all the outputs. Outputs mean w, x, y, z, which are function of inputs. Inputs are a, b, c, d. After solving by using K-map or Boolean algebra, you have to draw the final circuit with the help of suitable logic gates. Okay, in this way you can design any combinational circuit. Okay, this is all about today lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.